Guys, it's raining right now all around Maryland, even Perryville. You can see that rain and storming. Wow. Guys, it's terrible. So, I'm going to update that weather right now. So, I'm the weather reporter, Malcolm Oliver, and I'm going to have that update storm right now. So, right now in Maryland is 83 degrees. Precipitation, 15%. Humidity, 66%. And then wind, 5 miles per hour. It's going to storm all day long. Tomorrow's going to be another showers and storm with the high of 63 degrees. Alright, so I'm gonna have this weather update for tomorrow, alright? So I'm the weather reporter, Malcolm Oliver. Be sure to subscribe to me because I have my sub decreased from 5,673 to right now I have 5,959. So keep that in mind. And comment me and like, okay? So thanks for watching.